Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are in the blessing of Allah and happy at home. Now your English class is going to be start and I am your English teacher. Okay. Dear student, as you have learned the upper and lower case of alphabet in your previous class. Okay. Today our topic is arrange the words in alphabetical order. Dear student, it means we will arrange the different words according to alphabet A to Z. Okay. Like we will start to write the words according to first letter A, then we will write the word which is starting with B, and then we will write the words which is starting C, and so on. We will arrange all the words according to alphabet A to Z. Okay. So, dear student, look at your screen. Look at your screen. Here is your topic on. Here is an activity. Okay, look at your screen. Look here. Okay, you can see some pictures and words here. Okay, can you see? Okay, now tell me. Okay, what is it? The first one is, which picture is it? Okay, can you tell me? Okay, I tell you, it is a picture of duck. What is it? It is a picture of duck. D-U-C-K, duck. The spelling of duck is D-U-C-K, duck. Do you know what is the first letter of duck? Yes, the first letter of the duck is D. The first letter of duck is D. Okay, D-U-C-K, duck. Now come in the second picture, look here. The second picture, can you identify which picture is this? Yes, it is a cat. It is a cat. Okay, do you know it is a pet animal? Okay, it is very attractive animals. Okay, the spelling of cat is C-A-T, cat. C-A-T. Again, repeat it. C-A-T, cat. Okay, do you know what is the first letter of cat? Yes, the first letter of cat is K. The first letter of cat is K. Okay, now look at here. What is this? What is this? It is a duck. It is a duck. Okay, the spelling of duck is D-U-C-K. Duck. The first letter of the duck is D. The first letter of duck is D. Okay. Now come in the second picture. What is it? Okay, it is a cat. It is a cat. The spelling of cat is C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. The first letter of the cat is K. The first letter of cat is K. Okay, now come down. Come in the third picture. Come in the third picture. Look here. What is it? Do you know? What is it? It is an apple. What is it? It is an apple. Okay. The spelling of apple is A-P-P-L-E. Okay. What is the picture of which picture is this? It is a picture of apple. Do you like apple? Okay. Do you like? Okay. What is the color of apple? Do you know? Its color is red. The color of apple is red. Okay. Do you know what's the shape of apple? Yes. Its shape is circle. Its shape is circle. Okay. It is sweet in taste. Do you know what is it taste? It taste is sweet. It taste is sweet. Okay. Do you like apple? Okay. The spelling of apple is A-P-P-L-E. A-P-P-L-E. Okay. Do you know what's the first letter of apple? Okay. The first letter of apple is A. The first letter of apple is A. Okay, now look here. Okay, which picture is this? Do you know? Yes, it is a ball. It is a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. What is it? It is a ball. Okay, do you like to play with ball? Okay, okay, the shape of ball is sphere. Okay, its shape is sphere. Okay, you can say round. Its shape is round. Okay, what is its shape? Its shape is round. Okay, look here. Its shape is round and round. Okay, the spelling of ball is B-A-L-L, ball. Spelling of ball is B-A-L-L, ball. Okay, do you know what is the first letter of ball? Yes, the first letter of ball is B. The first letter of ball is B. Okay, look here. This picture start with letter D. Okay, and this picture is starting with letter K. Okay, which picture is this? Cat. Which is this? Cat. K is starting with cat. Okay, okay, cat is starting with K letter. C-A-T, cat. Okay, now this is an apple. This is an apple. Okay, apple is starting with letter A. Apple is starting with letter A. Okay, next picture is, it is a ball. It is a ball. Okay, the ball is starting with letter B. The ball is starting with B. Now, you student tell me, okay, what is the first alphabet letter? Okay, can you tell me which one is the first alphabet letter? Yes, the first alphabet letter is A. Okay, the first alphabet letter is A. Okay, can you tell me any picture is starting here with letter A? Okay, this one is starting D-U-C-K. No, it's not starting. Okay, comes in the second C-A-T, cat. No, it's also not starting. Okay, now the third picture. What is this? Oh, yes, it is an apple. It is starting with letter A. Yes, it is starting with letter A. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So, our first alphabetical word is apple. Our first alphabetical word is apple. Okay, A is the first letter. Okay, A is the first letter of alphabet A to Z. Okay, first is A. So here apple is first alphabetical word. Okay, do you know which letter come after A? Yes. Which letter come after A? Yes, B. Which letter come after A? B. Okay, B. B for ball, B for ball. Okay, can you tell me any picture is starting here which is starting with B? Any words, any picture which is starting with B? Yes, look here. This picture is starting with letter B. This picture is starting with letter B. B-A-L-L, ball. So, first is letter A. After A, letter B come. Okay, after A, letter B come. And B for ball. So, our second alphabetical word is ball. First one is apple. First one is apple. Second one is ball. Second one is ball. Okay. Now tell me, students, which letter come after B? Do you know which letter come after B? Okay. Yes, C. Which letter come after B? C. Okay. C. C. Can you find out any picture or any word is starting here with letter C? Check it, find out. Okay, this one is starting. No, it is duck. It is starting with D. Okay, this one is no. It is starting with A. No, it is not. Okay, this one is no. It is B. It is not starting with letter C. Okay, now here is a picture. Look here. Oh yes, cat. C-A-T, cat. Yes, it is starting with letter C. It is starting with letter C. So cat is starting with letter C. Okay, so it means the third alphabetical order word is cat. Okay, first alphabetical word is apple. Second alphabetical word is ball. And the third alphabetical word is cat. Okay, C-A-T, cat. Okay. Now, which letter come after C? Do you know? Which letter come after C? A, B, C. And then, yes, after C, letter D comes. After C, letter D comes. Okay, so find out the word which is starting with letter D. Can you find out? Look at your screen. Can you find out? Okay, yes, this one. This picture is starting with letter D. D, yes, D-U-C-K, duck. The for duck. Okay, yes, it is starting with letter D. So our fourth alphabetical word is duck. Okay, first one is apple, second one is ball, then cat, C-A-T, cat. Now our fourth one is duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, now we have arranged these words in alphabetical order. Look here. First one is apple. Can you see? First one is apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Okay, now come down. Come down. Yes, this is a ball. This is a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Now, third one is cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay, now the fourth one is, look here. Here is a duck. Okay, D-U-C-K, duck. This one is duck. So first alphabetical word is A-P-P-L-E, apple. After A, letter B comes. So our second alphabetical word is ball. And after B, letter C comes. So our third alphabetical word is cat. Okay. Okay, the fourth one is D. After C, D come. Okay, that's why we have arranged the duck in the last. Okay, so these are called arrange in order. It means arrange the words in alphabetical order. Yani the word which come with letter A, then the word which come with letter B, then the word which come with letter C, and then the word which letter come with D. Okay, these are alphabetical order. These are words which we arranged in alphabetical order. Okay. Okay, in sequence wise. Okay. Now student, I hope you understand well. Now your next activity is, look at your screen. Our next activity is, okay, look here. Now you student open your book, open your English book, page number, yes, page number 6. Open your book, page number 6. Okay, yes, open your books. Have you opened your book? Open your book. Okay, have you opened? Okay, now this one page, page number 6, this is your activity. Look at your screen. Here is your activity. Here are also some pictures with name. Okay, we will arrange these words according to alphabet. Okay, so first we will read the caption. C-O-P-Y, copy. T-H-E-S-E-Ds, copy these. W-O-R-D-S, words. I-N-N, copy these words in A-L-L, F-H-A, alpha, B-E, bear, T-I-T, C-L, alphabetical. Again we will read ALPHFBEBTITCL, alphabetical. Order. Mean we have to rewrite these words according to alphabet. Okay, so first picture is here. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Okay, yes, this is a rat. This is a rat. Okay. This is a rat. Spelling of rat is R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Okay, now second picture is P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Yes, pen. Okay. Now third picture is okay. Third picture is D-A-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. Okay. Do you know dad is the short form of daddy? Dad is the short form of daddy. Okay. Now come in the fourth picture. Okay. What is this? Do you know? Yes, this is a bag. This is a bag. Okay. You all have bag. Okay. Okay. We keep books, copies, and stationeries in our bags. Bags can be in multicolors, in many colors. Okay, it is made up of leather. Okay, okay. Now again look here. Here is a picture of rat. R-A-T, rat. Okay, look at the rat. It is a small animal with a sharp teeth. Okay, it has sharp teeth. Okay, it is a small animal. Okay, now come down. Pen. P-E-N, pen. Okay. We use pen for writing. Okay. We use pen for writing. Okay. Dad. Look at the dad. Yes, he is a daddy. It is a short form of dad. D-A-D, dad means daddy. Okay. Now come down, bag. This is a bag. Do you know what is the color of bag here? Yes, its color is black and red. Okay. Now you student tell me which word come first. Okay. As you know, the first alphabetical letter is A. First alphabet letter is A. Can you tell me any words, any picture which is starting with letter A? Look at first picture. Is it start with letter A? No, it is not starting with letter A. Come the second one. Pen. No, it is not starting. Okay, with A. Okay, now the third picture is it is not starting with letter A. Now come down. Bag. No, it is not starting with letter A. Okay, which letter come after A? Do you know which letter come after A? Yes, letter B. Letter B come after A. Okay, so find out any picture or any word which is starting letter B. Do you know? Is any word is here? Any picture which is starting with letter B? First one? No. First one is not starting with B. Second one? No, it is starting with B. Third one? Yes, here is a picture. Here is a picture. Yes, which is starting with B. B-A-G, bag. Okay. What is it? B-A-G, bag. What is it? B-A-G, bag. So we will write bag in the first blank. You have lines. Okay. You have to write the bag in front of number one. Look here. Here are lines. Okay. In first line, write down the bag. B-A-G, bag. Okay. It is our first alphabetical word. Okay. Now look here. Which letter come after B? Which letter come after B? C. Is any word is starting with letter C here? Look here. I think here is no words which is starting with letter C. Look here. No. First one is red. Second one is pen. Then dad. No. Here is no word. Okay. Which letter come after C? Yes. After C, letter D come. Can you find out any picture which is starting with letter D? Look here, rat, pen, bag. Yes, here is a picture which is starting with D, dad, D-A-D, dad. Okay, so please, okay, say, okay, here is a dad. Dad is starting with letter D. So write down dad in the second line. Write down, yes, D-A-D, dad. Write down dad in the second line. Okay. Okay. Which letter come after D? Look here. R. Yes. E. Which letter come after? Yes. R. No. No. R not come after D. Okay. Now check. R. No. After D letter come E, then come F, then letter come G, then H come, then I, J, then K, L, M, N. Oh, no, no letters are here. Then after O, which letter come? P. Okay, letter P. Yes, any words is starting with letter P? Okay, yes, here is a pen. Okay, P and pen. So write down pen in the third line. Okay, in the third line, yes, this one. Okay, now calm down. Which letter come after P? Q. Here is no Q. So after Q, letter R comes. So write down the R-A-T, red. Red in the fourth line. Okay. Write down the red in the fourth line. R-A-T, red. Okay. Now look here, beta. Look at here. We have arranged these words according to alphabet. Okay. First alphabetical word is D-A-G, bag. Second word is D-A-D, dad. The third alphabetical word is P-E-N, pen. Okay. The fourth alphabetical word is R-A-T, red. Okay. R-A-T, red. Okay. These are alphabetical words. Okay. Now we have arranged these according to alphabet. Okay. Now come in your book page number 7. Move to book page number 7. Okay. Yes. This is your book page number 7. Okay. Have you opened your book page? Okay. Now look here. Here are some words. We will read these words. Okay. Sure. Okay. Now first word is D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. What is this? D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, now come in the second word. Okay, here is a word S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. What is H-I-P, ship? Okay, now come the third word is, what is this, do you know? R-I-N-G, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Okay, R-I-N-G, ring. Now look, come down. Okay, look here. Fourth one is B-O-A-T, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. What is this? B-O-A-T, boat. Okay, now come here. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. F-O-R-K, for. F-O-R-K, for. Okay, now look the first one. Look here. Okay, D-U-C-K, duck. Duck. Do you know where does duck live? Yeah, duck live in the water. Okay, the, the duck lives in the water. Okay. Duck, duck means batak. Duck lives in the water. Okay, now come ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Okay, do you know what is ship? It is a kind of transport. It is a sea transport. Okay, it is a sea transport. We travel in the ship in the sea. Okay, it is a sea transport. Okay, now this is a ring. Ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Ring mean anguti. Ring mean anguti. Okay, now come down, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. It is a kind of sea transport, but it is smaller than ship. Okay, it is also a sea transport, but it is smaller than ship. Okay, ship is bigger than boat. Okay, book. Book. You have book, English book, Urdu book. Okay, fork. It used in the kitchen. Fork is used in the kitchen. It used in the kitchen. Okay, it is made up of metal. Okay, so these are words. Okay, now students, these are words, but these words here are boxes. Okay, empty boxes. Okay, so you have to read this word and draw picture according to the word. So first here is a duck, so you have to draw the picture of duck. Sheep picture in the box, ring picture in the box, and board picture in this box, and book picture and also fork picture in the given boxes. This is your home task. Your another home activity is your home task is write, arrange the words in order in copy. Okay, okay. Look here, students. First, you have to make a title page in your copy. Okay, in first page. Okay, this is topic. Okay, arrange in order. Arrange in order. A-double-R-A-N-G, arrange, I-N-N-O-R-D-E-R, order. First, you make the topic name, then write down the date. Okay, whenever you write down, okay, you write down the date. Okay, now look here. With pencil, you have to do your work, not pen and markers. You have to write down your homework with pencil. Okay, this one. After title page, you have to write down this one in your copy. You have to take a screenshot. Okay, first take a screenshot, yes, of both activity, this one and the title page. Take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot of this. Okay, this one is A-double-R-A-N-G, arrange. Again, A-R-R-A-N-G, arrange. T-H-E, the L-E-T-T-R letters, I-N-N-O-R-D-E-R, order. Arrange the letters in order. T-O-2, M-A-K-E, make, W-R-D-S words. Okay, so here are jumbled letters. You have to arrange them and write like this one is your home word. Okay, you have to write in your copy. You have to follow your formation, beta. You have 4 lines. Follow your formation. Which letter you have to write in up 3 lines and center 2 lines and down 3 lines. Okay, so first one is book, second one is ring, third one is board, fourth one is duck, fifth one is ship. Okay, you have to write, arrange these letters and rewrite here. Okay, 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 okay. Your home task is first one is arrange the words in order in copy. Okay, your second home task is do book page number 7. Okay, in book page number 7 you have to draw pictures according to the words. Okay, here you have to draw picture in your book. But the second one is your copy work. Second one is your copy work. Okay, take care. Take care of yourself. Be happy. Stay home. Be safe. Okay, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.